What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Today we're gonna be working on my truck a little bit. I installed an antenna a while ago and I used drywall screws, so I'm gonna go change that out with construction screws because you probably don't want drywall screws holding your 8-foot antenna on while you're going down the highway. So for this install and uninstall, we're gonna need 2 adjustable wrenches because you have to tighten these down to take it off. That way you can do it with one person if it would freaking adjust. Alright, well, this adjustable wrench is rusty, so we're gonna go grab another one. And I'll get back with y'all. Guys, well, I'm back. So I got another one. It's way too big, but it'll work for the job. So you put one on here, tighten it down, and then you put one up here, tighten that one down, and then you just twist. So now that it is not finger loose, we're just gonna put that back on there until it becomes finger loose. Alright, I think that's good. So now it is slowly coming off. Just gonna twist that until it comes off, and then once it's off, you just lay it down and get your drill, or whatever you want to call it, and you take your screws out. If I could stay on the screw. Alright, well, now that your screws are out, you're gonna grab your other drill bit. Put it in, get some screws, and install this puppy back on. If you can, you know, it's a struggle with one person.
Need help?
No, I got it, or something.
You sure?
No. So, to be smart, you can do this, and then you're good.
Ooh, big brain.
That. Alright, get it to where you want it. Put another screw in, and then you can put your other 2 in and tighten it down. Alright, so once you have that on, you grab your antenna. You want to make sure this is straight, because when you're parked on level ground, your antenna is going to be like that if it's not. So you got to make sure that's straight. Twist this back on about hand tight. Then you grab your adjustable wrenches. They're already at the setting. You put them back on. And then you tighten it back down. And then she's good. So now that that's tight, you take up your old screws so you don't fly out, pop somebody's tire or something. You can find your old screws. And then you just put them in your bucket, and then you're good. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. And then that'll be a wrap for the video. In another video, I'll explain how I put these in and where the wire goes and stuff. So I'll catch you guys on another video. See you later. Peace.